How to know who unfollowed you on Instagram easy. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to know who unfollowed you on Instagram easy. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just head over to our Instagram right here. And from in there, you can click on this profile icon right here. And then you can see your followers right here. So if you're like me that only have a few followers, then I can easily keep track who are unfollowed me. But if you have a lot of followers, then it is not proper to actually search through them because there's a lot. So what I can recommend to you is to head over to Play Store, search for Follow Meter. So I'll search for it. And then you can install this Follow Meter for Instagram. After you have installed it, it will ask for your credentials and you can log in from Instagram and you can see who has unfollowed you. However, there's a warning because not all third-party apps are good and some will only use your credentials to their own gain. So make sure to take proper precautions when you're installing or logging into any third-party apps. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know who unfollowed you on Instagram. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.